The educational materials presented here were developed by students and faculty of the Department of Food Science and Human Nutrition at Iowa State University. Funding for this project was provided by grants from the American Cancer Society Midwest and the Lance Armstrong Foundation. The materials are intended for educational use and are not meant to provide medical advice. We welcome your feedback about these materials. Please use the evaluation survey link on the homepage to provide your comments and suggestions. Are there foods that could be called superfoods? Some advertising suggests certain foods or ingredients have an extra special health benefit. This presentation will discuss what types of food could be classified as super and what benefits they can contribute to a healthy lifestyle. When you think of superfoods, what comes to mind? Superfoods are everywhere. There are over 100 recognized superfoods. The title superfoods includes a wide variety of foods, including fruits, vegetables, grains, and much more. I'm going to share with you some common superfoods and the benefits of incorporating these foods into a balanced diet. Let's talk about what superfoods are. It is important to note that there is no official definition for superfoods. If you Google superfoods, you will find hundreds of foods that in reality may or may not be a superfood. A general definition of a superfood is one that provides health benefits beyond basic nutrition, improves overall health, and helps prevent disease. Superfoods are also usually nutrient-rich and contain high amounts of antioxidants. Recently, superfoods have become popular. Many Americans are interested in the effects of their diet on their health and look for foods and beverages with added health benefits. Many consumers may be seeking more convenient ways to gain health benefits in their diets. And superfoods have also been getting a lot of media attention recently, from TV shows like Oprah to magazine articles and headlines in the news. This focus on certain foods may lead to confusion about what makes one food super and another one not so super. There are some problems with the concept of superfoods. Some foods may be naturally nutrient-rich, while others are enhanced with added nutrients through enrichment or fortification. This may be of concern if unhealthy food choices are promoted as superfoods because they have been enriched with vitamins and minerals, for example. Foods that are enriched or fortified may contain these healthy ingredients, but consumers need to be cautious of the other ingredients in these products. Some may contain high amounts of sugar or fat. Another problem with superfoods is that some of the beneficial ingredients may not be well absorbed in the ways that they are marketed to consumers. The bioavailability of a nutrient can be influenced by the chemical form in which it appears in the diet and by the presence of other factors in the food that may enhance or depress absorption and utilization. Let's turn our attention now to learning about some foods that have good nutritional value and could be called superfoods. Because of the healthful benefits of these foods, you should consider selecting a wide variety of these foods for your diet. I will present some helpful information about each of the foods shown here on this slide. Blueberries are low in fat and sodium. They are good sources of fiber as well as a wide variety of vitamins and minerals. Blueberries have been marketed recently as brain berries. Studies done in animals have shown improved brain function in rats given a daily dose of blueberries compared to normal rats. Much more work needs to be done before we can conclude the same effects would occur in humans. The health properties in blueberries are derived from the antioxidant activity of the anthocyanins, flavonoids, and proanthocyanins, which are in high concentration in the fruit. These compounds give their blue and red colors. Antioxidants are believed to help protect the body against the damaging effects of free radicals and chronic diseases associated with the aging process, such as cardiovascular disease and cancer. Researchers have also found that proanthocyanins may promote urinary tract health and reduce the risk of infection by preventing bacteria from adhering to the cells that line the walls of the urinary tract. It should be noted that eating blueberries will not cure a urinary tract infection, but persons with chronic infections may benefit from regular consumption of blueberries and related fruits, such as cranberries. Pomegranate is one of the heaviest advertised superfoods right now. Many people did not know what a pomegranate looked like 5 years ago. Most pomegranates on the market are in the form of fruit juices. Pomegranate juice contains high level of antioxidants compared to other fruit juices. Antioxidants fight the free radicals in the body that can be related to increased risk of cancer, heart disease, and other conditions. Some studies have found that consuming concentrated pomegranate juice daily may lower the risk of some types of cancer, although this work is not yet conclusive. Pomegranate has also been shown to have anti-atherogenic properties, which may help protect the heart and arteries from damage. Also, a heart benefit of concentrated pomegranate juice may include preventing the oxidation of low-density lipoproteins, which are the LDLs, and can lead to plaque formation in the arteries. Tomatoes contain a powerful antioxidant, lycopene. Several studies have found that diets high in lycopene may reduce the risk of cancer and heart disease. The most compelling evidence so far is the role of tomatoes in prostate cancer prevention. Recall that I mentioned the issue of bioavailability earlier? Tomatoes provide a great example of this important factor. Lycopene is best absorbed from processed tomato products because of the way that lycopene is bound to the tomato's cell structure. So tomato-based sauces, soups, and condiments provide the best source of lycopene in the diet. Omega-3 fatty acids are considered to be very important health-promoting ingredients in foods. Omega-3 fatty acids may lower the risk of heart disease, improve arthritis symptoms in some people, and perhaps benefit cognition and memory. In general, Americans do not consume the recommended amounts of omega-3 fatty acids because they are not found in commonly consumed foods. The good news is that there are several superfoods that can enrich your diet with omega-3s. Walnuts are one of the best plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids. They are also rich in fiber, B vitamins, magnesium, and antioxidants such as vitamin E. Walnuts in particular have significantly higher amounts of omega-3 fatty acids as compared to other nuts. In March 2004, the FDA endorsed the health benefits of walnuts by approving a heart health claim. It has been suggested that in some populations, a handful of nuts a day may reduce the risk of cardiovascular-related events by as much as 51%. It is important to control the amount of salt, added oils, and calories you may consume with nuts, so be sure to read the labels carefully. Salmon is a very good source of omega-3 fatty acids as well. In 2002, the American Heart Association recognized the health benefits of wild salmon and also recommended eating at least 2 servings of fish a week, particularly fatty fish such as salmon. Many of you have probably heard about flaxseed. Flaxseed is found mostly in fortified foods. You can also now purchase ground flaxseed in most grocery stores that you can add to your own recipes. Flaxseed is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids and contains dietary fiber as well. Some research has shown that flaxseed consumption may have heart health benefits. If you purchase flaxseed, be sure to keep it in a sealed container in a cool place. You can keep it in the refrigerator or freezer. Because of the high oil content, flaxseed can become rancid when exposed to air and warm temperatures. Also, if you purchase whole flax seeds, be sure to grind them before adding them to your recipes. The intact seeds are not well digested, so the health benefits are reduced. Dark green vegetables are packed with vitamins A and C and phytonutrients. These vegetables are very filling, high in fiber, and low in calories, making them the perfect food to keep your heart healthy and your waistline slim. The high content of vitamin C also makes them a great booster for the immune system. Vegetables such as broccoli have a unique compound called sulforaphanes that have been studied for their role in reducing cancer. In addition, these foods provide a variety of compounds that support cardiovascular health. Soy provides high-quality protein from a plant source. The protein in soy is similar to the quality of the protein in milk, meat, and eggs. For vegetarians, soy protein is an important part of the diet. In addition, recent research has shown regular consumption of soy protein reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease. It is recommended that 25 grams of soy protein be consumed per day for this health benefit. Soy has received attention also because it contains compounds called isoflavones that mimic the human female hormone estrogen. These compounds bind in the same receptor as estrogen and therefore can trigger responses similar to estrogen. This can have both positive and negative consequences. The positive benefits of soy isoflavones include providing a natural therapy for menopausal symptoms, including hot flashes. Some negative consequences include risk of increased estrogen exposure in women with estrogen-responsive breast cancers. In general, research suggests consumption of soy foods with natural levels of isoflavones is very safe and provides health benefits. Women taking anti-estrogen medications or with a history of breast cancer, however, should consult their physician before increasing their consumption of soy foods. Do note that soy is a very versatile plant and is used in foods in a variety of forms. Soy oil does not contain any isoflavones or protein. Soy protein, sometimes called textured vegetable protein, usually does contain isoflavones, but the concentration will vary with the way the protein was processed. Soy milk is an extract of the soybean that contains mostly protein. The isoflavone content will vary depending on the manufacturer's process. Soy milk is used to make yogurts, cheese, and ice cream. Tofu is another form of soy protein that comes in a range of densities, firm to soft, that allows a wide variety of uses. And finally, edamame is a variety of whole soybeans that can be eaten as vegetables. Whole grains are an important superfood because they are rich in many nutrients and dietary fiber. Oats were the very first food granted health claim approved by the FDA. It was demonstrated that regular consumption of oats, including oatmeal, reduced the risk of heart disease. Oats contain soluble fiber which may act as a type of sponge in the large intestine to prevent cholesterol from being absorbed by the body, thereby lowering blood cholesterol levels. Oats are in the family of whole grains, unprocessed plant grains. This family includes some familiar grains such as whole wheat, rye, buckwheat, and barley, and some others that are becoming more common in the food supply, such as amaranth, quinoa, turf, and triticale. Whole grains are a good source of B vitamins, vitamin E, magnesium, iron, and fiber, as well as other valuable antioxidants not found in some fruits and vegetables. Like oats, whole grains are heart healthy. In addition, whole grains may also reduce the risk of many types of cancer. Another important benefit of whole grains is their ability to help regulate blood glucose levels. This is particularly beneficial for diabetics. Consumption of whole grains increases the feeling of fullness because it takes longer for the body to digest them, which can also reduce calorie intake and thereby help maintain a healthy body weight. Green tea is a form of tea commonly consumed in Asian cultures, but is widely available in the American grocery store today. Green tea came to prominence as a superfood because it is very rich in catechins, including epigallocatechin gallate, known more widely as ECGC. This compound is a very potent antioxidant and has been found to provide health benefits. Regular consumption of green tea has been found to reduce cholesterol levels and may provide protection from some forms of cancer. While green tea is a rich source of antioxidants, black tea also has some of these same compounds and will provide similar health benefits. It is important to be a savvy consumer, however, and be sure to read labels. Many drinks are available that claim to contain green tea or tea extracts, thereby providing health benefits. These products may also contain honey, sugar, or high fructose corn syrup, which add unnecessary calories to beverages. They may in fact have only a small amount of green tea. Look for products that are made with 100% green tea, or better yet, brew some for yourself. So, in conclusion, there is no official definition for superfoods, but many foods are super because they are rich in nutrients and provide health benefits. By consuming a wide variety of foods that includes fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, you will achieve a super diet. It is important to remember that there is no regulation for superfood labeling. Read labels carefully to be sure you understand the entire nutrition portrait of the product. Watch specifically for added fat, sweeteners, and salt. By knowing more about the product, you can be sure your diet is indeed super.